Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on this Strike app. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch the Strike app and make sure you actually register the account. You need to verify yourself before you can actually buy the app or even use the app at all. So once you have done all that, here I want you to click on Bitcoin at the bottom left and then come here and click on buy. Okay? And then you just enter the amount you would like to buy. There's a maximum of $10,000. Once you put in the amount, tap on next, and you'll see how much worth of Bitcoin you'll be buying and how much Bitcoin exactly you will get for that. Just go and make the transaction, pay for it using a payment method, and it should show up in your balance just like this. Okay, that's all you have to do. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.